Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you reset Face ID if you are experiencing issues with Face ID or you want to reset it on your iOS device. So you can follow these steps. Let's get started. First of all, open settings of your iPhone. Now scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode in the settings menu. Then tap on it. Now you will be promoted to enter your device passcode to access the Face ID settings. Within the Face ID and passcode setting, find the option that says Reset Face ID. If you scroll down, then you will find that option in red, Reset Face ID. Tap on it. Now the Face ID is resetted and you have to set up the Face ID again. So this is how you can reset the Face ID on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.